Rhodospirillum rubrum is an example of a bacterium with which type of flagella arrangement? A. Monotrichous. B. Lophotrichous. C. Peritrichous. D. Amphitrichous. The correct answer is D. Amphitrichous. Which field is a branch of nanoscience? A. Biometrics. B. Applied chemistry. C. Economic development. D. Nanochemistry. The correct answer is D. Nanochemistry. Which of the following is a primary function of the skeletal system? A. Filtering waste products from the blood. B. Protecting the body from external threats. C. Generating heat to maintain body temperature. D. Providing structure and shape to the body. The correct answer is D. Providing structure and shape to the body. Which letter commonly denotes the focus in ray diagrams? A. OV. B. C. C. P. D. F. The correct answer is D. F. What determines the direction of the flow of heat between two objects? A. Volume. B. Mass. C. Temperature. D. Density. The correct answer is C. Temperature. What functional group do all members of a homologous series contain? A. Different functional groups. B. No functional group. C. The same functional group. D. A varying functional group. The correct answer is C. The same functional group. Which scientist was awarded the Nobel Prize for determining the role of chromosomes in heredity? A. T.H. Morgan. B. James Watson. C. Waldeyer. D. Gregor Mendel. The correct answer is A. T.H. Morgan. What percentage of copper is present in brass? A. 30%. B. 70%. C. Varies widely. D. 100%. The correct answer is B. 70%. Which term describes the resistance of a body to changes in its state of motion? A. Inertia. B. Momentum. C. Acceleration. D. Velocity. The correct answer is A. Inertia. Chandrayaan-2's mission experienced an issue with which component in its final stage? A. The orbiter. B. The launch vehicle. C. The lander, Vikram. D. The ground station communication. The correct answer is C. The lander, Vikram. Expansion occurs when a substance is underscore. A. Heated. B. Frozen. C. Contracted. D. Cooled. The correct answer is A. Heated. Which of the following is listed as a source of protein? A. Cheese. B. Wheat. C. Fish. D. Butter. The correct answer is C. Fish. What is another name for cubical expansion? A. Linear expansion. B. Surface expansion. C. Areal expansion. D. Volumetric expansion. The correct answer is D. Volumetric expansion. What was Christian Doppler's profession? A. Mathematician and physicist. B. Geologist and paleontologist. C. Chemist and biologist. D. Astronomer and engineer. The correct answer is A. Mathematician and physicist. Which pigment is associated with red algae, rhodophysi? A. Chlorophyll. B. Fuchsanthin. C. Phycocyanin. D. Phycoerythyrin. The correct answer is D. Phycoerythyrin. What does GSM likely refer to in the context of paper? A. Gigasamples per minute. B. Global standard metric. C. Grams per square meter. D. General surface measurement. The correct answer is C. Grams per square meter. What is one way to deselect cells on a worksheet? A. Pressing the escape key. B. Closing the worksheet. C. Clicking anywhere on the worksheet. D. Dragging the mouse over the cells. The correct answer is C. Clicking anywhere on the worksheet. What is the given least count, LC, for the measurement? A. 0.01 centimeter. B. 0.001 centimeter. C. 0.1 centimeter. D. 1.0 centimeter. The correct answer is A. 0.01 centimeter. Which characteristic distinguishes white blood cells from red blood cells? A. They are responsible for oxygen transport. B. They are only found in the spleen. C. They contain hemoglobin. D. They are colorless. The correct answer is D. They are colorless. When did Dr. Norman E. Borlaug receive the Nobel Peace Prize? A. 1970. Born in 1960. Circa 2000. D. 2022. The correct answer is A. 1970. Where in the cell is the cytoplasm located? A. Surrounding the organelles. B. Around the nucleus. C. Inside the cell membrane. D. Outside the cell wall. The correct answer is C. Inside the cell membrane. Which acid does not attack aluminium metal? A. Sulfuric acid. B. Nitric acid. C. Acetic acid. D. Hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is B. Nitric acid. What element is represented by the symbol N in the context of valence electrons? A. Nitrogen. B. Sodium. C. Nickel. D. Neon. The correct answer is A. Nitrogen. What is the length of the straight line connecting point A to point B called? A. Uniform motion. B. Distance traveled. C. Displacement. D. Total path length. The correct answer is C. Displacement. What is the symbol for sodium? A. So. B. Na. C. N. D. St. The correct answer is B. Na. What is explicitly listed as a component of the atoms and molecules concept map? A. Organic chemistry. B. Gay-Lussac's law. C. Thermodynamics. D. Quantum mechanics. The correct answer is B. Gay-Lussac's law. What process is being observed when ice changes to water while the temperature remains constant? A. Sublimation. B. Freezing. C. Vaporization. D. Melting. The correct answer is D. Melting. What is the name of another Indian space mission listed? A. Mangalyaan. B. Gemini program. C. Skylab. D. Mars rover. The correct answer is A. Mangalyaan. Acetic acid, also known as vinegar, is composed of which three elements? A. Carbon, sulfur, oxygen. B. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. C. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. D. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. What term describes one complete relaxation of the heart? A. Cycle. B. Systole. C. Beat. D. Diastole. The correct answer is D. Diastole. How did you score?